You can take this practical physics notebook either from the publisher or Ilmi Book Depot, Urdu Bazaar, Lahore. Experiment 1 on page 110 in the practical notebook. Left side page of the same experiment.
Hello students, today we are going to perform an experiment to determine the specific resistance of a wire by slide wire bridge. Operators used for this experiment are slide wire bridge, resistance box, galvanometer, jockey, cell battery, unknown resistance wire and connecting wires. Circuit diagram for this experiment is: here is unknown resistance, resistance box, galvanometer, meter rod and jockeys connected with the galvanometer, battery and key. Now, our practical circuit diagram: resistance box, galvanometer, jockey. Cell battery, unknown resistance of a wire, key and connecting wires. Close the key K and check the circuit by plug jocking on both ends of a wire from A to C. If the galvanometer gives opposite deflections for each end, then the connections are correct. Now we will take first reading and we will take out the resistance from the resistance box. Let us suppose we are taking out resistance for the first reading. We are going to take the reading from the resistance box. Take out the resistance from the resistance box. Let us suppose 9 ohm. And we are going to write this value in the table. Note the balance point. We'll start from here. Slide the jockey over the wire and we can find the balance point yes, it is actually the balance point L1 from here till here. L is equal to 58 centimeter. Now for observation and calculation, resistance over here 9 ohm, length L1 58 centimeter and L2 100 minus 58 42 centimeter. Now we are going to calculate unknown resistance by using this formula. X is equal to R into L2 over L1. By substituting all these values in this formula, we will get unknown resistance which is equal to 6.5 ohm. Now for the final result, specific resistance. For specific resistance, we will use this formula. X over L multiplied by pi into R square. After substituting the values in this formula, we will get the specific resistance 1.1 into 10 raised power minus 6 ohm meter. Now, here X is stand for unknown resistance and L stand for the length of a wire of unknown resistance, and R is radius of a wire. Specific resistance which we have calculated is 1.1 into 10 raised power minus 6 ohm meter. We will compare this value with actual value of the specific resistance to remove the percentage error. Okay, for the complete reading, you can consider the practical notebook. Connections must be tight and clean. Connection must be made with the keys open. Jockey should not be rubbed along the wire.
You can take this objective physics practicals from Ilmi Book Depot, Urdu Bazaar, Lahore, or you can download directly from my website. Your readings may be different from these readings. Check these readings as a reference. Thank you.